Welcome to our custom meditation experience. Remember that you can create your own meditation experience at meditator.ai. Once again, find a comfortable seat and gently close your eyes. Tune into the heaviness and lightheadedness that accompany feeling like death. As you rest in that sensation, acknowledge the weight of exhaustion and the emptiness within, the urge to surrender to rest. Allow your body to dissolve into a cloud of fleeting sensations. Each feeling is passing, impermanent, like the transient nature of all things, including this overwhelming feeling. Amidst this cloud of sensations, direct your attention to your breath. Observe it as it flows naturally in and out of your tired body, as you find a moment of stillness within the storm of feelings. And if you recognize that you're drowning in feelings of despair, acknowledge these emotions without harshly judging yourself. Remember that judgment itself is just a passing thought, and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Realize that even in the midst of feeling like death, you possess the ability to influence your experience. Think back to moments of joy, even if they seem distant now. Imagine that warmth, like a flicker of hope in your mind. Observe if this mental smile can provide a slight shift in the heaviness you're experiencing at this moment of deep struggle. As we enter the final moments of this practice, direct your focus to your breath, immersing yourself completely in its rhythm, from its inception within you to its dissolution in the air. Once again, I acknowledge your efforts in being present despite feeling like death. Thank yourself for showing up and giving your all in this moment of struggle. Remember, each breath is an opportunity for renewal and healing, even when it feels heavy. Until our next session. With Meditator AI, take care of yourself